Delete a Docker container and your data disappears. Permanently. No warning. Here's why. By default, any data created inside a running container is permanently lost the moment you delete it. Every file written, every log generated, every database row inserted. Gone. This isn't a bug. Containers are designed to be ephemeral. They're meant to be spun up, used, and thrown away. That's a feature, not a flaw. But you need to plan for it. Here's the mechanism. Every container gets a thin writable layer stacked on top of the read-only image layers. All runtime changes live in this writable layer. When you run Docker Docker destroys that writable layer completely. The image underneath remains untouched. The solution is Docker volumes or bind mounts. With the -v flag, a named volume stores data outside the container's writable layer on disk managed by Docker. Even after the container is deleted, the volume survives. Bind mounts work similarly, but map a directory from your host machine into the container. Either way, your data is safe when the container goes. One quick distinction. Stopping a container preserves its writable layer, but Docker destroys it. The underlying image is never modified. Containers only read from images. Container data is ephemeral. Use volumes or bind mounts to persist it beyond the container lifecycle. Like and subscribe for more Docker content. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.